In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can hide your Amazon order history. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do, guys, is head over to your browser of choice, whether that's Google, Chrome, Firefox, whichever you like. But I'm going to go ahead and use Chrome for this example, so go over to amazon.co.uk, .com, whichever is most relevant to you. And then from here, what you want to go ahead and do is obviously click on the three lines at the top left corner, and then come over to your orders. And then from here, what you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then come down until you see desktop site. And then what you will need to do is click on desktop site. And then what that will do is it will change the Amazon site to look more like it would on your desktop. So for example, if you want to go ahead and hide your history, what you need to do is simply click on archive order underneath the order you want to go ahead and hide. And then as you can see right there, the description says you can archive up to 500 orders. Even though it will no longer appear in your orders, you can still view it in archived orders. So what that will do, guys, it will remove it from your main orders page. So if you want to go ahead and do that, all you need to simply do is click on archive order. And then what that will do, as you can see, it has now removed the order from my orders page. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.